everybody. July 4th, and he just got done with his feeding. Now he's got the hiccups.
It's his first hiccups outside the womb. Oh. And he got his hand escaped from the swaddle. Dad did. He escaped. Yeah. Oh. We still haven't decided on a name. Everett or Graham, what's it gonna be?
A terrible swaddling job.
Oh, that's okay.
Inspired by Taco Bell.
Yes. Our little baby burrito. Yeah. Here's me exhausted still. I haven't slept more than 20 minutes at a time at the most.
And you look like it.
Yeah, I know. I'm exhausted.
So we'll do the baby.
I've been up for, wow, 29 hours now with a little bit of sleep here and there. We've been busy.